Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Dropping off dropping off jackets. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real. Will and Kahlil got the deal, man, for real.
Welcome to the Sixth Sense Foundation.
Powered by LEVI'S.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. On this episode of Dropping Off Jackets, we're coming to you live from Buchead, Georgia, with Hasani Edmondson. And that's Will.
It's Kahlil.
Oh, how many of you can say that you got friends in your life from when you were 16 years old? How many of you can say that?
And you can call him, he pick up.
You call him, he pick
and
up.
if you need some, you dig.
He don't owe you
ask
no
questions.
money. You don't owe him no money. And if you did, it wouldn't even matter. Your money ain't no good to your brother. And for people that you've been knowing for over 30 years, they are your brothers. They ain't even your friends no more. Not freshmen, sophomores. I had my first apartment with this man. If when you see Top Secret,
Whisper Woods.
shout out to Whisper Woods, Austell, Georgia.
Whisper Woods.
Shout out to that QT on Austell Road. We won't mention none of that.
Oh.
We just know it was infamous. My boy Hasani, man, we came out here and we wrecked shop.
What about the picking up your brother, your little brother?
All
in LA?
right. So look. This is how I met him. My little brothers. When I was 16, I had a car. I had a job. I was a little man. That's why I'm like this now. Cause I've been hustling hard, like an old man.
He has.
So I'm picking my brothers up for school, and back in those days it was Spike Lee everything. Spike Lee hat, Mo Better Blues, X. He was the original hustler.
You know what about nature?
All of it. And I would see these two kids get off the school bus, and one of them, he was fresh, man. He was fresh every day. He had camo, he had New Balance. Then nobody in LA wear no New Balance. The 574s, man, you had to go get those from somewhere else and bring them back. All flavors, everything. But my man had the Mo Better hat on, and during that time you can go to the swap meet and get one cheap. But if you had the real one, you got it from Mo Better. You got it from 40 Acres and a Mule, and you spent a dub $5, and you knew it was the real thing. It's cool if you want to go the other way, but when you got on the real, people who recognize the real know. Because I had on everything. Spike sent everything to the house. So I'm walking around, people calling me Spike Lee in school. I see Hasani get off the bus. One day I just got out the car and was like, yo, where you get that Mo Better hat?
He did.
And he turned around, he was like, what'd you say? I was like, yo, man, that hat is fresh, man. I got one just like it. And he looked up, he's like, oh. I was like, yeah, man, I got all the colors. He was like, where you get yours from? Oh, man, I go to New York, I go to Louisville, I go somewhere different every summer. So I look him up and down, I was like, damn, I can tell. You don't dress like you from LA.
Yeah.
So Pierre was with you, and from that day we was friends, because after that, at Fairfax High School, that's when we linked up again. And then we linked up once again through some mutual friends, DJ Smooth. Shout out to DJ Smooth. Shout out to Pierre Petty. Shout out to Pierre Petty.
Oh my God.
Shout out to D Green.
All of them.
Shout out to Mike Thomas, Blackbird, Ricky McLeod. These McKees Hodge, Dario. Man, this is family, man.
All day.
And this took long to
All
get
day.
here. So we gonna appreciate this, man. We gonna let him give his little spiel, his what he does for a living, his social medias, man. Kill him, Hasani, man. Tell him, man.
Man, I ain't got no social media though.
Okay.
Got it, but I'm not on it.
That's a blessing.
That's a blessing.
I'm not on it. But
Okay, so you can't reach this man. He's super private.
Yeah, I
but
mean, yeah.
But you can tell him a little bit about what you do.
Nah, man, I'm just a regular cat, man. I just, family man. My day job is just, ad sales. So that's what I do. I just sell advertising time, and that's it. But other than that, I'm a little bit of a photographer, like my boy Stokes. and a little videography, and just in the hustle, man, in the hustle all day long, grinding from CAU to Morehouse to Fairfax, and we just been since G8 though.
That's right. That's right.
G8?
That's that top secret G8.
Oh God. So anyway, yeah, man, we just been people forever, man. Always will be, and but yeah, I just grind. I'm
That's
just
it.
grinding, taking care of family.
So you got anything added? Any other shout outs? You want to shout out Angie? I'm sure she would appreciate that.
Of course. And, yeah. Queen, yeah.
Okay.
Hold me down for over 20 years, man, for real.
That's right.
And everybody else, the whole family, everybody else from back in the day. Just love all of y'all. Still doing my thing. I'm still here.
That's right.
I'm still alive.
That's right.
What?
So with that said, Will, with no further ado, my boy Hasani, we love you, man.
What?
This is the real
Oh,
Will
yeah.
Drop that jacket.
Throw it on.
Yeah.
That's it. That's that top secret G8.
Wowzer.
That's that G8. He
Been
knows.
watching
He was
these
there.
videos for a while, man. This is crazy.
Go ahead and help him out, Will. Boom, boom.
Yeah, maybe I should take this off.
Nah, leave it on, man. You good. That's how you know it fit. Because we know, even with a sweater on, it's gonna fit. We do this for a living. Pop that collar, Will. It's always a perfect fit. With Levi's, of course. On this episode of Dropping Off Jackets, that's Will.
What?
Just Kahlil.
And this is my homeboy Hasani
All day.
Edmondson.
The West.
Man, aren't you the
What?
third?
No, sir.
The second?
The first.
Okay, that's
The
what I
first,
thought.
the
The first.
first.
There you go.
Number
my
one.
man. Man,
Yeah.
so much love. I love
Always.
you, man.
Always
You are one of
love
my
you.
brothers. I love you, man.
Always,
That's
kid.
real shit, man.
It's all day long.
It's gonna be like this
Forever
forever,
and
man.
always,
It's gonna
yeah.
be like this forever. So just get used to seeing us face.
It's the click.
Once again, Hasani, Will, so
Word
much
up.
love, man. Thank you guys. We are
Yes.
out of here. Coming live from Buchead, Georgia.
Yes. ATL.
Vamp it.
Peace.
What's wrong?
I need something stronger.
Take 4 red capsules. In 10 minutes, take 2 more. Help is on the way.
You won't be around next year.
Save it, save it, save it, save it, save it.
You won't be around next year.
Save it, save it, save it, save
You
it,
won't be around next year.
save it, save it, save it, save it.
You won't be around next year.
Save it, save it, save it. The recording industry really ain't shit. Y'all don't wanna rap, believe me when I say it. You wanna wear ice to a music video and fuck silly hoes, please nigga, really though. I'ma do Mary cause I know marijuana. Bounce the ATL, red eyes from California. Put it down since and I called it 6 cents. You know the one after 5, but the first on your list to get Friday evening when consumers cash their checks. Consumers spend their money so consumers stay in debt. Spend every damn penny, work hard like a slave. Approach Lee Majors, better have that pussy shaved with no hair bumps. I only hit it once. I'll beat that pussy up on the time of the month. Don't believe me, ask around. Got the biggest cock in town. Newsflash, I got wings by the pound. Pick it up.
You won't be around next year.
Save it, save it, save it, save it, save it.
You won't be around next year.
Save it, save it, save it.
Welcome to the Sixth Sense
Save it.
You won't
Foundation.
be around next year.